In this video I'm going to show you how to crop a picture into a circle in Google Slides. Now the first step, as you can see, we have a square image and we have transformed it into a circular image. So we will delete this, and after that we will need to insert the image. Click on insert and then you will see the option image. Then click on upload from computer and we will go a little bit down and select the preferred image we would like to use. So we will select it, center it a little bit, and then we will select this image. If you click on the crop image, then you will get the option to crop the image. If you hold your shift key and then transform it, then you will see it stays in the same aspect ratio. So we make it a little bit smaller. Now you can select the part you would like to have into this crop. Just move it a little bit and now you have cropped it. Then after that just click on the slide and now you can move the image again. If we want to crop this image into a circular image, then we will need to click on that arrow beside of the crop icon and there is mask. Click on shapes, go to oval, and now you have transformed the picture into a circular image. What you also can do is create a border around it. If you would like to add a border, click on border color over here. Then choose the color you would like to use. And after that, click on border weight. Now we can make it a little bit thicker. Select 4 as an example. And now you have successfully added a border to this picture. What you also can do is to choose the border dash. Click on border dash. And then you can choose a dotted line, a striped line, or a other type of line. Let's say we would like to use a stripe line. Select it and now you have added a striped border line around this picture. This is how you crop a picture into a circle image in Google Slides.